Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Shamrock Shakes. My name is Miss Lorena and I'm going to show you what you're going to need for this shake so you can make it at home. And so you will need mint extract, some green food coloring, some vanilla ice cream, and some milk. So the milk and ice cream can be of your choice. I do suggest vanilla though because you will be adding mint to it, and milk, whatever kind you prefer. So you'll need a measuring cup, or you can just measure it by eye. It's up to you. I have 1 cup and then a 3/4 cup, and I do have a spoon, and I'll only be needing a teaspoon, half a teaspoon. So, and you'll probably want an ice cream scoop. All right, so you are going to start off with ice cream. All right, so I'm gonna open up my ice cream and take my scoop. And if the ice cream's too difficult to get out, you could always get the scoop wet, and it's a little easier to scoop it out, just so you know. So I'm just going to do just a few scoops. Ooh. So this is about a cup of ice cream, but you can put as little or as much as you want, and I'm just gonna pack it down in there. So I'd say that's about a cup. And then you do want about a 3/4 of a cup of milk. So I do need to open this. So I got my 3/4 cup here. Fill it up. There we go. And I do want about half a teaspoon of my mint extract. So I'm gonna open this up. My spoon. And do about a half. And I think I'm just going to open it. Doesn't want to seem to come out. That's because Miss Lorena didn't open it all the way. So, there we go. Okay, now it's actually opened. So I'm just going to pour some, about 3/4. Put it in my cup. And I want to add some green food coloring. So it's up to you how bright green you want it. So here's my cup. So I'm going to put 3, I think. 1, 2, 3. And I might add a little more ice cream just because it looks like it's kind of watered down. All right, so that's a little better. Okay. And I am going to blend this up. So I'm using a bullet, which is a little easier, the magic bullet. You could use a regular blender too. So I'm just gonna come back, I'm gonna put this in the blender, and then I'll show you my end product. All right, so I blended up my shake here. You can see it's pretty green. I did end up adding a little bit more green, so it's up to you on how green you want it, of course. And I'm just gonna put my lid on here, and it's ready to go. So I hope you enjoy this tasty treat, and we'll see you again soon.